Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem when the ink and paper flash at the same time on an Epson printer due to a paper jam, as you see here in the video. So in simple steps, I'm going to teach you how to solve this problem. So let's get started. Okay guys, here we have our printer with the paper jam problem. The first thing we'll do is identify two bolts, which are this one on the left side and the one on the right. We're going to remove these bolts. We're going to do it carefully so that the bolt doesn't fall inside the printer. So with a screwdriver, we're going to remove it carefully. We remove the first bolt. Now we're going to remove the bolt on the left side. Perfect. Once the bolts are removed, we're going to lift the entire scanner cover and put a stop on it so that it doesn't fall. There we put the stopper, and now we can enter the inside of our printer and see the problem we have with the paper jam. Now we will take the first step to solve this problem, which will be to remove the paper from the printer tray. Here we can see how the paper is also jammed in the back. Now we are going to turn off the printer. We turn it off and move the printer carriage. We are going to remove the paper carefully. If it is the case that your paper is torn, I advise you to remove all the pieces very carefully with the idea that nothing is left inside the printer and that prevents the passage of the paper. So in this case, we are going to check if there is any material stuck there that prevents the passage of all the paper in the printer. As we see, there is nothing left in this part, and we also check in the back, in the tray part, if there is also paper stuck there. As far as we can see, there's nothing else, so everything should be fine as far as the paper is concerned. Now we're going to turn on the printer, and we're going to let the printer carriage move to its home position. So we wait until it anchors itself to the start of the printer, then it returns to its position. Very well. Now we take out the stop and lower the printer to put back the pins that we had taken out at the beginning of the video. We put the pin on the right side first, and lastly the pin on the left side. Now we close the cover. We put paper in the printer to do a color test. We put a document or card in the printer to do the test and see how the paper moves in our printer. We press the color copy button and wait for the sheet to print. And as you can see, the shifting and printing of the sheet came out correctly. I hope I've helped you guys, and as always, I leave you the invitation to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.